Before your first meeting with your mentor, you will take the Interstride Career Game Plan assessment to assess your career readiness. To access the Career Game Plan, you're going to log into your single sign-on and scroll down and click on Career Link Student. Once you are in Career Link Student, you will navigate to Resources at the upper right-hand side, and then you'll scroll down to Online Tools where you'll click on Interstride. Interstride is a platform for international students for job search and finding H-1B employers, but it also offers the Interstride Career Game Plan, which is based off of NACE's career readiness competencies. You'll access this career game plan by scrolling on the left-hand side under Tools, and then you'll click on Career Game Plan. You'll click on Take Quiz or Retake Quiz if you've already taken it. Once you've clicked on the quiz, they'll ask you questions in regard to career and self-development, communication, critical thinking, equity inclusion, leadership, professionalism, teamwork, and technology, all the aspects that make up career readiness. You'll select one of the options and then you'll scroll down and click Next. Once you've answered all the questions, you'll have your overall total career readiness score. You'll also have individual scores in each of the career readiness areas. You'll review your scores and be sure to send them to your mentor before your first meeting with them so they're able to review it. Your first meeting with them should take place before Friday, February 20th. Additionally, in the career game plan, they give you suggestions based off your career readiness, including how to improve each and giving actionable items. You'll use this career readiness to create your 3 SMART goals after your first meeting with your mentor. If you have any questions, please contact Graduate Business Career Services.